You use AI today, even if you didn't open ChatGPT. Your phone camera, your search results, even the apps you use the most are quietly running in the background with AI. It's invisible, and the real question is, how much of your life is it actually controlling without you noticing at all? Hello everyone, welcome to the South Error Network. My name is Hasnan Tariq, and in today's video, we'll be discussing about AI and how that is taking over your life. Didn't open. You might think that AI is something that you use consciously, like an app, a chatbot, or even an online website. But the truth is different. In reality, modern AI is everywhere. Think about your phone for a second. Every picture that you take isn't just a snapshot. The camera app on your phone uses AI to enhance your image, sharpen faces, remove noise, overall post-process your picture to make the quality look so much better, but without ever asking for your permission. I mean, it sure is nice to have my ugly face look beautiful, but I never asked for it. It just started happening. Even search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or any other that you might use are all using AI to filter and suggest you results. These said results are not random. AI understands and it predicts what you meant. Even if you type something wrong, even if you don't know what to search for, it will automatically give you exactly what you're looking for. And to be honest, it's not even about what is relevant. AI decides what you see first and what shows up on the first page. I mean, think about it for a second. When was the last time that you ever used page 2 of Google? Maybe I have back all the way in high school, but nowadays, even the first or second link is all I need. To be honest, I don't even scroll past half the page of Google results. Let's even talk about suggestions, for example, on YouTube or on Spotify. AI just knows what you want to see next. What video is supposed to come up, what song is going to play next. It will always predict what you wanted. It's almost learning you as a human being, understanding the patterns and calculating in real time. It just knows what keeps you scrolling, what keeps you entertained, and most importantly, what's going to grab your attention. Now, this might sound scary to some people, but this is not AI deciding or thinking on its own. This is AI optimizing your life based on data that it gets from you. Every smart system needs feedback, and that feedback is you. It doesn't need to know you personally, just well enough to predict you as accurately as possible. It's not really controlling you, but more like guiding the environment around you. Imagine you're scrolling on your feed and you simply pause and take a look at a cooking video. There is an 80% chance that the next video that you see is going to be about cooking as well. This is AI predicting your interest in real time. It never forced you to watch that next video, but it definitely nudged your experience. None of this feels aggressive. It feels helpful, and that's exactly why we don't question it. This isn't about robots or science fiction. This is about small, invisible changes happening every day. Now hear me out. You take this example and you multiply that by every single app that you use. Entertainment, shopping, communication, and you start to see how persuasive that is. And here's the funny part. AI is simply just not in your phone, it's in every single hardware that you see out there. There's an AI water cooler, an AI fridge, and I even saw an AI toilet that opens the lid based on your bathroom routines. To be honest, I don't know if that part was a rumor or not, but I hope it is. But the fact is that AI is starting to be in every single hardware that you see out there, and it's only a matter of time when everywhere you look, everything is going to have AI in it. AI is now in devices that you might not even consider. Smart speakers prioritize now what you hear. Streaming services track your viewing habits to suggest you shows and movies, and literally suggest you what you will enjoy next. Even online shopping platforms can now predict what you are going to buy next way before even you know you need that product. So let's ask the big question here. Is this dangerous? Well, not inherently. You see, AI does not think on its own or make decisions on its own. It simply works based on feedback or data that it gets from people like you and me. The real risk here is not AI taking control of everything, but humans depending too much on AI. You see, when things start working too well, people stop questioning it and they start relying on it being extremely dependable. Right now, you might not even realize how much of your daily life depends on AI until it will fail. What happens when AI starts to predict things wrong or it misunderstands you? This is where errors and biases can creep in, not because AI is malicious, but simply because it isn't perfect. Here's a simple example to make things easier to understand. Imagine you have the world's best personal assistant. This assistant organizes your life and makes everything perfect, cleans your desk, keeps your life on schedule, and you're all good. But what if that assistant misunderstands something or loses a file or simply forgets how you've trained it? Now you can't function because you've relied on your assistant too much to do things on your own. That's the real problem or the real risk that we face from AI. In today's world, AI is even stepping up in the professional workspace. Offices use AI daily in terms of productivity, like drafting emails, overlooking contracts, sending invoices, planning for meeting, taking notes, etc. Of course, all of this is going to save a lot of time and boost productivity and increase efficiency, but that also means that people stop practicing on their skills. So over time, all the employees may rely too much on AI, and one server crash, the whole office can't function. Let's simply imagine a day without AI. You pick up your phone, but all your suggestions are random. Your search results are not getting filtered the way you'd like it. The messaging apps you use are no longer predicting what you wanted to type or fix the mistakes that you're making. Or in extreme cases, your toilet lid doesn't open up when you want it to go in the bathroom. Simply imagine if all of this fails one day, you'll finally realize how much you've relied on it. This is the silent takeover of AI. It's not loud, it's not visible, it's all working in the background, slowly and steadily taking over everything. It's shaping how us human beings interact with technology and sometimes how we think. But let me end this video on a very positive note. AI is not something dangerous. As long as we understand it. It only becomes dangerous on paper if we start using it without any kind of awareness at all. By being aware of AI and how much of that is being integrated into our daily lives, we start to get our control back while also enjoying the convenience and ease of AI. So the next time you pick up your phone and you start doom scrolling and give in to the algorithm, stop for a second and think, this is not magic, it's math. It's prediction, and it's quietly running the show in the background with you rarely noticing. And that's it for today's video. If you like the content, make sure to press that subscribe button and also press that bell icon because we'll be coming up with a lot of tech content. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.